Since we have a convolution of the signal with its time reverse version, we get a convolution length of 2 times L minus 1 samples with its maximum at the center when both waveforms completely overlap after L samples, which is exactly the signal length. Hence, we get the detection of our signal after we completely received it at the end of our signal. So observe that since we convolve the signal with the time reversed version of our pattern to be detected, this becomes identical to computing the correlation of the signal with the pattern to be detected. Also observe that the longer the signal is, the more energy is captured in it, and the higher the signal-to-noise ratio will be at the time of detection. And this is very important, for instance, for very weak signals, like in deep space communications. So in conclusion, the matched filter has the shape of the time reverse signal to be searched for.